Yesterday we discussed about a little bit about the sex organs. Yeah, we can see after that the sexual characters, primary sex organs, secondary sex organs. Yeah, primary sexual characters and secondary sexual characters. Huh? After that, the topic was that is yet to be continued. That is the male reproductive system. And male reproductive system also, this is the system. It is an organ system which consists of number of organs like a pair of testes, vasa efferentia, a pair of epididymis, pair of vasa differentia, and a pair of seminal vesicles, urinogenital tract, and prostate gland, pair of Cowper's gland. Just like it can digestive system, which number of organs are starting from the mouth up to the ends, and all the organs they togetherly perform the process of digestion. The reproductive system, all the organs they perform their number of organs which help in the process of the reproduction. A pair of testes. Here is the internal structure of testes, and the testes they contain the number of compartments which are known as lobules, and each lobule 200 to 300 lobules in a single testis. That is testes are present in the pouch-like structure that is known as the scrotum. You can see that is a thermoregulator that regulates the temperature of the testes. After that, internal structure contains of the testes that contains 200 to 300 lobules, and each lobule contains 1 to 3 tube-like structures, and those 2 to 3 tube-like structures are known as seminiferous tubules. And these are the structures, small tubules means small tube-like structures. They produce the male, we can see gametes. They are known as superbules. After that, the testes they also contain the cells which are known as Leydig cells, which help in the production of the male sex hormone, that is testosterone. And in this, which we can say secondary sexual characters, which gasan develop boys at the time of puberty, they are because of the hormone that is known as testosterone, which is secreted by the testes. And testosterone must come cells secrete Leydig cells. After that, all the seminiferous tubules they unite to form the structures, small tubes. They are known as retitestes. These are the retitestes. And after that, these retitestes they also join to form 14 to 15 small tube-like structure. They are known as vasa efferentia. Not written here. Vasa efferentia. And after that, the vasa efferentia pour their secretion, that is the sperms, into the structures, into the tube-like structures which are known as what? Epididymis. Epididymis also, which was in the two structures which are known as epididymis, which are highly coiled tubes. This is the epididymis. This whole structure, this is the epididymis, and this is a highly coiled tube and 4 to 6 centimeter long. Temporarily store sperm and nourishment provide. After that, you must say epididymis. Single testis, big testis, same structure. Epididymis also join current secretion pour into the what? The structure which is known as the vasa differentia. Like chesman vas differens, don chesman. Like testis product, big testis product. That is known as vasa differentia, or two in number, one from one testis another. And after that, when you use tube-like structure, 30 to 35 centimeter long, you must enter into the abdominal cavity from the outside of the body into the abdominal cavity through a canal that is known as inguinal canal. And purchase next structure, they are known as seminal vesicles. Yes, before seminal vesicles, otandamat hushashu. When me, for example, yapar hasa kya? The epididymis. Epididymis hasa into the abdominal cavity. Into the abdominal cavity. From one testis to one. Vas deferens, beki testis to one, vas deferens. Some issue vas deferens, which vasa differentiation done when you want testis pedak, beki testis pedak, and him done way has such combined gasan. And combine chigasan and iman asashu vaiti gasan meet the structures which are known as what? Seminal vesicles. They are actually the glands. The master glands asana. Iman mudlik pados later on. फिलहाल मनबा यम सातन यम seminal vesicles. Yotan tamat yat tubus mas. Vas difference tamat yusaso yम एक yothas tamat yusu tube. Yapar yusu tube. Atmos kus चीज उस फिलहाल present only the sperm. मगर एम पत हासा करन कम युस हासा वनी सिंगल ट्यूब यम पत बन्यो युस हसा ये सिंगल ट्यूब ये पे बनो योतन तम ओनली स्पर्म्स आसान मगर ये पे हसा यथ ट्यूबस मज यह ट्यूब यथ ट्यूबस मज गसान सेक्रीशंस ऑफ द व्हाट सेमिनल वेसिकल्स अलोंग विद द स्पर्म्स कनेक्ट गसान इसलिए ये पे बाकी बोन कुन ट्यूब बनान दिस इज नोन एज इजैकुलेटरी डक्ट क्या वनान इजैकुलेटरी डक्ट कत पे कोतन तम इजैकुलेटरी डक्ट वो कत पे कोतन वनान इजैकुलेटरी डक्ट ये this is the structure where these very vasa differentia that meet is the we can say seminal vesicles, and this is a tube, these are the tubes, they unite, and from these tubes are known as ejaculatory duct, and ejaculatory duct kothas tamas cheswan up to this place these are known as what, up to this place they are known as simply these are known as ejaculatory ducts. And pachim ejaculatory ducts the yor chu, this is the urinary bladder, this is the urinary bladder to ejaculatory duct hasa chwen exi pipe mas kya open gasan tach cheswan, that is known as, this pipe is known as urinogenital duct. Kya cheswan urinogenital duct because it contains it conducts, which is a pipe duct be pipe, which is a pipe yasa conduct it kara both the sperms as well as the secretion of the glands plus urine. Tabi banan urino means urine, genital means the that is related to the reproduction, and duct means pipe. Samashavan go, these are the ejaculatory ducts, and ejaculatory ducts then meet this very we can say urethra asan, and this pipe is known as now what, this is ejaculatory ducts, and pata se pipe wana, this is known as the urinogenital duct. And in case of male illustration the urinogenital duct continues into the penis and finally opens at the tip of the penis through a pore, and that is the final structure of the male reproductive system, which is later on we should the structure of penis. Philal we chose add the other structures which are known as what, the first type of glands which are known as what, seminal vesicles. And seminal vesicles also, these are the two glands. So in number one join is with one vas deferens, another seminal vesicle join is with another vas deferens, and they pour their secretion into the vas deferens, leading to the formation of ejaculatory duct. And now what they produce a secretion which is alkaline in the sense that is basic, that is not acidic asan, which is basic in nature asan, and atmas kum cheez asan, it contains the nutrients like fructose atmas asan, it contains the proteins for nourishing, for the nourishment of sperms. Sperms has nourishment asan zurat because they are cells, timan cells and food zurat asan, so food also provide karan the secretion of the seminal vesicle secretion karan into the ejaculatory duct, and that contains the sperms, and these secretion is very much essential for the nourishment of the sperms. After that, the next gland, this is the next gland, this we can say pyramidal shaped gland, board gland. Seminal vesicles, and after that the single gland which is present at the union of the urethra with the ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct to urethra ejan pan mein ralan chu, yat pointus pe asa large ball shaped gland asan ya large pyramid shaped gland asan. This pyramid shaped gland is known as what, prostate gland. Yes manan prostate gland ashta buznu prostatitis. Prostate usually buzarg chasan timan maj disease gasan, that is known as prostatitis. They are unable to urinate, timan par pipe ma lagin yemkin hasa timan urine body maj man never karna agar te wish mudaj ko gasan. Prostatitis usually prostate gland prathmas males must present asan, magar with the age, with the advent of this very age, the prostate gland that swells after gasan infection agar ek insan go, that condition is known as prostatitis. Kya sunan yem sadan prostatitis gasan this prostate gland that swells after varam khasan, and yem sadan varam khasan chu ya chu badan in size, yem sadan ni badiyo na size ishim pipe chuna ishim band karna, yem sadan ni band desna board ish pipe band karan neti chneran urine chu banan, urine chu watan urinary bladders ma su chna kan pati pass out karit because pipe chuna patha sa press because of the prostate gland, infected prostate gland rather, it can normal asa press. And daban you prostate gland, this is also a very much important gland because this also produces a secretion that is thick, and that is alkaline, that means that is also basic in nature. It is also basic in nature, it is acidic asan. and this secretion is necessary for the motility. What do you mean by motility? Movement of the sperm. Movement of sperm. This secretion. Agar nasa sperms ya simply otan tama. Uchu yotan tama chasan only sperms up to the vasa differentia, end of the vasa differentia. There are only present the sperm. Now the sperm contain the secretion of seminal vesicles, secretion of the prostate gland, and the secretion of next gland, which was later on. That is togetherly known as semen. Yes, man. So semen, sperm. Semen is the mixture of number of things. It contains sperms. It contains the secretion of the various glands. That is known as semen. Which was later on called last as philosophy. But yes, also semen chasan. After the sperms chasan, the sperms for the motility of the sperms. Sperms chasan. They should conduct, yeah, they should move from one place to another place in the female reproductive system, and the motility for the motility of the sperms, there is necessary condition that should contain the secretions of the prostate gland. Yes, after that, yeah, about this very prostate gland, those males in which the prostate gland has been removed, even madasa prostate gland removed prostate gland remove shivan karan, timan also have problem kasan, they are infertile, they cannot produce offspring. Because why? Because when they shed their sperms inside the female reproductive tract, they do not contain what? Secretions of what? Prostate gland. And when there is not the secretion of prostate gland, their sperms are immotile. Yeah, they are non-mobile. They cannot move from in the female reproductive system. And they cannot reach the egg because they do not contain the what? The secretions of the prostate gland. And infertility, they cannot produce offspring. Least chances of the baby formation in case of the males in which the prostate gland has been removed. And but next gland, they are known as the Cowper's glands. Cowper's gland. This is the actual structure of the male reproductive system. They are the Cowper's glands. Here is the presence of the Cowper's glands. Bulbourethral glands. These are the Cowper's gland, and these Cowper's gland, they are also very much necessary for the, we can see, for these very sperms. Actually, what are the Cowper's glands? They produce alkaline secretion. Secretion that is also basic in nature, and that is very much important, which contains mucus. Saliva, mucus, slippery substance. This prostate gland, Cowper's glands, these are also known as bulbourethral glands. They also produce the secretion, which is basic in nature, and which contains the mucus, which lubricates, we can say which moistens, urinogenital tract of the male, because the urinogenital tract that conducts both what? Urine as well, and urine, you know, that is acidic in nature. And agar also sperms acidic medium pakanna timacity dead gasan. Isliye for neutralization of the acidity of the urinogenital tract, the Cowper's glands, bulbourethral glands, they neutralize the acidity of the what? Acidity of the urinogenital tract that is created by the help of what? The urine. And but last structure in the male reproductive system, these are the testes. These are the testes, and testes but also these tubes which enter into the abdominal cavity. These are known as vas deferens. And vas deferens also meet karan. These are the seminal vesicles, and this is known as ejaculatory duct. After that, this is the urethra, and this gland is prostate gland. This is bulbourethral glands. Cowper's glands. After that, this pipe is known as what? The urinogenital tract. And urinogenital duct that continues to outside through a structure. That structure is known as what? That structure is known as the penis. And penis, it is the structure which is used. It is a male copulatory organ. That is, it is the structure which is inserted in the female genital tract to shed the sperms. That is, the male gametes shed the semen into the female reproductive tract, that is known as penis. And usually male erectile organ, copulatory organ use karna, and at the tip of the penis, that is very much sensitive, and the tip of the penis, that is known as the glans penis. The tip of the penis, that is having a very sensitive skin, and that is known as what? That is known as the glands. Here it is written as glands, but glands यहाँ पे नहीं है. That is GLANS, glands pens it is known as. And this glands pens is having a fold of skin on it. यार पटा fold of skin आसान. And that fold of skin is known as prepuce. क्या चुनान? Prepuce. In case of Muslims, in case of Christians, this prepuce is removed. या सुषमा cut करना. And that process is known as circumcision. The glands, the penis and atticus and contains a heterotic structure. Yeah, is having a tip. That tip is known as what? The glans pens. And this glans pens is very much sensitive. It contains on its outer surface that is having the, we can say, skin, fold of skin, that is known as prepuce. And this prepuce is removed by a process that is known as what? Circumcision. And internally, this we can say pens. Internally, the pens that contains the erectile tissue. The two types of erectile tissue. The first is known as corpus cavernosum, and the second is known as corpus spongiosum. Internally, the penis contains two erectile tissue by which the male penis gets erected. Those are known as the corpus cavernosum and corpus spongiosum. And these are the structures which get filled by the blood. Blood filled and by filling the blood into these various structures, the penis gets erected during the act of copulation at other times. And this is all about the we can say topic, that is the male reproductive system. And finally, one more topic, that is semen. What is semen? Now, what is semen? Semen, it is the what? It is the milky viscous alkaline fluid. It is also ejaculated by male during the orgasm. When the male and female copulate, the male ejaculates as fluid that comes out from the male reproductive system into the female reproductive system. That is known as what? Semen. And this semen contains sperms. It contains the secretions of the what? Cowpose glands, seminal vesicles, and bulbourethral glands. And that fluid which comes out of the male reproductive system, that is known as semen. And usually the 2 to 5 ml, 2.5 to 4 ml of semen contains about how many? 300 to 400 million sperms, in which only one sperm travels near to the egg or fertilizes the egg. A single ejaculation is male semen 2.5 to 4 ml semen near about 200 to 300 million into 10 lakh. 200 to 400 into 10 lakh. The number of sperms yes, 2.5 or 4 ml of sperms. After the egg and leads to the fertilization of the egg, and that is the last substance. And it contains fructose, proteins, and several chemicals, and also sperms. And that is all about the male reproductive system. And first we show the next structure, that is the female reproductive system.